Today we're at Highland Memory Gardens in Des Moines, Iowa, and we're checking out famous band member of Slipknot, Paul Gray's grave. We're going to start out at the companion sign, and we're going to go straight over towards the big tree. And there it is. We'll pan around the cemetery. I'm going to shoot a video of this cemetery, but it's going to be a separate video from this one. We'll take another look at Paul Gray's grave. There it is, Paul Gray, famous band member of Slipknot's grave. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.